10 life-changing habits you should follow. You'll never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. The best way to change your life is to create new routines and stick with them until they become habits. Today, I will give you 10 healthy habits that will change your life for good. Welcome to Self-Dominion channel, where we talk about book reviews, business ideas, philosophy, business strategies, and many more. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you're updated whenever I post a new video. For today's topic, we are going to talk about some life-changing habits that you should follow to become a better person and to have a better life. So, if you're ready, grab your popcorn and enjoy the video. Number 1. Create a morning routine. Go for a run, meditate, or enjoy a healthy breakfast. Start your day with anything that makes you feel supercharged and happy. Having a morning routine helps you start your day in a positive way. Meditation helps to calm your mind and to remove negativity. Always start your day right. Number 2. Set your goals. Most people don't clarify their goals, that's why they never know what they are aiming for. Ask yourself and make sure you know what you really want in life, and be open to changes as you grow. Setting your goals will help you have a clear vision of what you need to work for and where you want to be in life. Number 3. Know your priorities. The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Identify your long-term goals and schedule you time to work on them. By doing this, you can prevent being swallowed by small tasks, distractions, and others' demands. Number 4. Balance life. Know the importance of balancing your professional and personal life. Give some time for your family and friends, as they can help you recharge and be more motivated. If you work 24/7, you will miss all the precious moments of your life. It's not bad to work hard, because all of us want to be successful, but make sure you still have time for rest and enjoyment. Number 5. Manage your money wisely. Never spend more than what you earn. Don't spend just because you want to impress other people. Why? Because they will help you spend that money, but they will never help you earn that. Always save your money for the future, and always spend less more than what you earn. By doing this, you will save yourself from having debts, and you'll be able to give yourself and your family a better life. Number 6. Read books. Employ your time in improving yourself by other men's writings, so that you shall gain easily what others have labored hard for. Reading will give you endless knowledge and lessons while keeping your mind active. Books can hold and keep up all kinds of information, stories, thoughts, and feelings unlike anything else in this world. If you regularly read, it will improve your brain connectivity, increase your vocabulary and comprehension, reduce stress, and it will also help you sleep better. Number 7. Think twice before you speak. Think twice before saying anything to yourself or to anyone. When you always think before you speak, you will be fully aware of the words you're going to say. No matter how mad or no matter how happy you are, remain calm and always think before saying any words. By doing this, you can avoid yourself from hurting other people's feelings. Think twice, and remember, words are the most powerful weapon you can use to destroy someone. Number 8. Surround yourself with the right people. Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Be wise in choosing people that you're going to spend time with. Let go of those who are just bringing you down instead of lifting you up. Not all your friends are your friends. That's the sad truth. Instead of hanging out with people who just want to party all the time, spend your time with those who are hungry for more knowledge and success. Number 9. Invest in yourself. You'll never be successful if you're not healthy. Take care of yourself first before you take care of someone else. Do at least one thing a day that makes you feel good and happy. Learn a new skill, exercise, eat healthy, or listen to music. Do anything that's good for your mind and body. Always prioritize your own health more than anything else. Investment in yourself is the best investment you can make. Number 10. Learn to appreciate things. When you know how to appreciate things, even the small ones, you will notice that you will be happier. Always be thankful for what you have now instead of wanting more and more. When you know the word contentment, you will never be greedy and you will enjoy life more. Contentment does not mean that I desire nothing, but rather, it's the simple decision to be happy with what I have. These are the 10 life-changing habits that you should follow in order to have a better life and become a better person. I know that everything will not be easy at first, but you must have the determination and patience if you really want to change for the better. Do it now while you still have the time. We only have one life, so make it meaningful. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video and find this helpful, Please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and notification bell to make sure you're updated whenever I post a new video. This is Self Dominion Channel, and I'll see you again next time. Peace out.